Hey there everyone, this is Gyan Prakash back again. So today our main objective will be towards learning about a flow control. So today in this video we're gonna learn about flow controls. What are actually flow controls? So I'll be talking about in a nutshell. So in our C programming, our C program executes line by line. So our compiler, while in execution process, our compiler executes our program line by line. Though we can also change the execution of our program by by introducing something called as concept of flow control. So basically the control structure of our program is basically it is typically divided into the two major type of categories, that is called as selection categories, and another is called as something called as loops. In selection control structure there are two types of broader areas where we have to concentrate. First is if and else statement. We will be going to control our flow of execution of our program by if and else statement, and secondly we will be going to control our flow via switch cases. What are switch and cases? So let's code it up to make our better understanding. So that's it for its introduction. Now it's time for coding. Let's jump into the coding part. So over here, let's start our coding part. Has include stream so this is our main function. So first of all, we are going to work on if else statement. So let us say the basic prototype of if and else statement I have also discussed earlier in previous videos, but this video is totally oriented for the if and else statement, so let's discuss once more. So this is a prototype of if and else statement. So there are two blocks, which are one block is for if. This block is for if statement, and this block is for else statement. The basic idea behind this block is, over this highlighted area, if the condition is found to be true, then the compiler is straight away going to execute all the statements which are residing in if block, and straight away the compiler will reject all the statements which are residing in else statement simultaneously. But if in case the condition written over here is found to be false, then straight away all the statements which are residing in the if block will be straight away rejected, and the else part will be straight away executed line by line, sequentially I mean. So this is the basic idea behind the if and else statement. So let's demonstrate with the program. Let us say if I is equals to 10. So let's say 10, and just defined our variable previously. I is equal to 10, something is 10. Okay, so let's print something. Hello, I am in if block. Let us say if condition is found to be false, then this statement is going to be okay. Let's change the message. I am in else block. Okay, looking fine, obviously. Let's do some designing work. So over here I think the concept is clear to everyone. So what next? Let's compile this program. So for right now the condition is found to be true, so hello I am in if block is supposed to print on the console. Yeah, that exactly. So wonderful, this message has been printed on the screen, and yeah, of course we expected the same. And let's say if we have made our condition as false, then let's see what is going to print on the console. So I think it will be a second message, obviously. This is our entire mechanism how if and else block is working. So over here I want to emphasize one thing more. Like, let us say if you write over here as 1, so the compiler will consider always true for this writing 1 like this. So let's say if you are just compiling, so hello I am in if block will be get executed. The other thing I want to just tell you over here is that if you write true over here, So one thing, let it be very clear that either you write 1 over there, or instead of 1 you write true. So both means the same. And yeah, of course, I want to just make you understand. Let's say if I write if a is equal to something, now I compile, there should be an error. So what this error is exactly? The error is about else statement. So if we are declaring the else statement, so always just keep remember that else statement always follows the if statement. Means if we are writing the else statement, then our else statement should exactly follow after if statement. There is nothing should come in between if and else statement. Though we can either write this way, or we can also skip writing else statement. Our program will be going to work as fine. There won't be any error. Yeah, apart from this, I want to just mention one thing more, that we can have a single else statement for a single if statement, though we can have a multiple if conditions. Like if we can make a change, like a is equal to something, let's say 9, and we have also assigned over here that a is equal to 9, and let it be empty set. Okay, let's put a message inside, give it a newer name as I am in second if block. So there won't be any error. Yeah, exactly, both if condition has executed step by step. And now the question is, to whom this last else statement is associated to. So exactly, it might be pretty obvious to you that this else statement will be associated to the nearest if statement. So for now, this if statement checking with condition a is equal to 9 will be associated with this else statement, though we cannot put anything in between these two. Let's say we have int a is equal to something p. If we declare like that and we kept our else statement apart from if, then this is going to generate an error. So we have to keep this aspect in our mind. So we have to just remember that we cannot just separate if and else statement apart, though we can escape else statement. This is totally legal step. Okay, fine. Now the next concept of if and else statement is, let's say we want to work on nested if. So if we can also go ahead with nested if. So let's say, so over here you can put your the condition according to your situation, according to your functionality, what you want over here. So this was all about the if and else statement. So later on we are going to discuss about the next concept, that is called as switch cases. So for now, yeah, there is a one concept that is called as if else ladder. So we are gonna demonstrate that if and else ladder in our some of our program. So for this video, this was all. This is Gyan Prakash signing out. So stay tuned with me for the upcoming videos. If you do like my content, then just hit subscribe and like and just share my videos. So this is Gyan Prakash signing out, and I will be definitely going to catch you in the next video, that is we'll be going to work on switch cases. So till then, bye bye.